Daniel Brogan.
Stephen Brown.
I'm Sean Brown.
County Down, outside Newcastle. We're in Holywood. We're putting up the new Christmas tree. This is a 10-metre tree, and there is at least 16 sets of lights in this tree. It takes 2 tons of sand to keep it in place so it doesn't blow away in the wintry nights. The lights go up and down vertically so nobody can steal them off if they go round the sides. We start this here in October, testing lights, testing pole mounts, and once that's done we start off getting trees ready, make sure everything's lit up and ready to go, so then whenever we go out to switch them on we know they're going to work. So that's the main important, that's the priority, to get everything working right before it leaves the shop. So October, and then we'll be finishing February. We have
20 done so far.
I think we've 20 so far, and there's another 4 to do, all different sizes. The tallest one is 32 metres down to 6-metre tree. Have the very last 3 up and finished by next Friday. So everything has to be done by the 1st of December switched on. So we have to make sure everything's done. So it's not an 8 to 5 job. We could still be out. Some of the boys do night shifts, still 3 o'clock in the morning. So there's a day shift and a night shift crew. So technically we're supposed to finish at 4:30, but the time does run on now and again, and that's just the luck of the job, and that's what you have to do. Merry Christmas everyone in Holywood, and hope it all works out, and hope Sandy comes to all the little children about. I hope he comes to my son too now, so we'll just see if they're being good or not.